Hey everyone, it's Matt with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, and today I'm going to show you how to pair the Bose QC Ultra headphones. I always want to say the QC35 or 45 or whatever, but QC Ultra. It seems like it should be QC35 Ultra, but it's just the QC Ultra. So there are a few ways that you can pair these to your phone. You can use the Bose Music app. You can use Android Fast Pair, which if you have an Android, basically you just hold the headphones near your device and they'll just show up and you can connect to them, similar to the way the Apple products show up on iPhones when you hold them close. But the way that I'm going to be showing you today is just connecting them to an iPhone only through the Bluetooth settings. So this process would be the same for Android. You just go to your Bluetooth settings like you would with any device. You're just going to hold this or push this button a few times. It's the button here on the bottom for pairing, and that'll turn them on. And you just keep holding this button down until you see that blue light show up. And you can see that light is kind of just fading in and out. That means that they are in pairing mode, and you can see that they showed up on my phone over here. So now we can just go ahead and tap on that connection and the headphones will pair. If you're wearing them, which is probably one of the easier ways, it gives you verbal instructions in the headphones telling you like, oh, I'm in pairing mode, and then, oh, we've connected to this device, and they'll tell you what device they're connected to, which is really great. So if you're just trying to pair them, I'd recommend having them on your head. You just hold that button down, and they should go into pairing mode. Thanks so much for watching.